Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to compare two documents in Microsoft Word. Comparing documents is very useful when you want to identify changes, edits, or differences between two versions of the same file. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word opens, click on the Review tab located at the top of the screen. The Review tab contains tools for comments, tracking changes, and comparing documents. In the Review tab, look for the Compare option on the right side of the ribbon. Click the Compare button, then select Compare from the drop-down menu. A new Compare Documents window will appear. Under the Original Document section, click the folder icon and select the first document you want to compare. Next, under the Revised Document section, click the folder icon again and select the second document. After selecting both documents, you can optionally type labels for each version to make the comparison easier to understand. Now click the OK button to start the comparison. Microsoft Word will automatically analyze both documents and open a new comparison result window. On the screen, you will see the compared document in the center, revisions listed on the left side, and the original and revised documents displayed on the right side. Any changes such as added text, deleted text, formatting changes, or edited content will be highlighted automatically. You can scroll through the document to review each change carefully. After reviewing the differences, you can save the compared document by clicking File, then Save As, and choosing a location on your computer. Finally, close the comparison window once you finish reviewing the documents. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you learn how to compare two documents in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.